What is up, Anava fam? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my page. So we're back with another video, and it's not really a vlog. It's just gonna be a wig install. So before we even get into it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers. So if you haven't joined the Anava fam as of yet, be sure to go ahead and do so. But we are gonna go ahead and get into this wig try on and installation. I'm not going to be talking through the video. It's just going to be a pretty quick video. I wanted to throw this in on Vlogmas. So I hope you guys enjoy. guys, so this is the final look. I did struggle a little bit with the installation and with my baby hairs, but overall I think it's super cute. This was a very affordable wig. I will try to find it online. I bought it from a hair store, but if they have it online, I'll definitely put the link in the description down below. But comment down below, you guys, and let me know what you think. I thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time, bye.